Have you ever felt like life is holding something extraordinary just beyond your reach? That there's a version of you living your dream life, waiting to emerge? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide to manifesting your dream life, not just through your thoughts, but by aligning with the infinite power of your soul. Step 1. Understand the power of your soul. First, it's crucial to understand that your soul is your compass. It's your true self, connected to the universe and filled with infinite wisdom. Start by taking quiet moments to reflect, meditate, journal, or simply sit in silence. Ask yourself, what does my soul truly desire? You'll often find that these desires aren't superficial. They're deeply aligned with your purpose and joy. Step 2. Define your dream life. Now that you've connected with your soul, it's time to get specific. What does your dream life look like? Where do you live? What work do you do? How do you feel every day? Write it all down in vivid detail. Remember, clarity is magnetic. When you're clear about what you want, the universe starts aligning things in your favor. Step 3. Release limiting beliefs. Here's a big one: letting go of limiting beliefs. We all carry doubts and fears that whisper, you can't have that life. But here's the truth. You are worthy of everything you dream of. Replace those limiting beliefs with affirmations like, I am deserving of my dreams. Practice this daily and watch your mindset shift. Step 4. Take inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about wishing. It's about doing. Pay attention to the signs and opportunities that come your way. They're often nudges from the universe, whether it's reaching out to someone, starting a project, or learning a new skill. Take action that feels aligned with your goals. Step 5. Trust and surrender. Finally, trust the process. The universe works in divine timing. Sometimes, delays are just the universe's way of preparing you for something even greater. Focus on gratitude for what you already have while holding faith that what's meant for you is already on its way. Manifesting your dream life isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about aligning with your soul's truth and letting the universe co-create with you. You already have everything you need within you. Your soul is your ultimate guide. If this video inspired you, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us reach more people like you. Subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and leave a comment below. What's the first step you're taking to manifest your dream life? And, of course, share this video with someone who needs this message today.